Pakiunahin po muna si Ate Elena. So, I would like to request the remaining fan to please move further, para hindi matakpan yung ating screen. Okay? Hello, cadet number 13, how are you?
I'm fine, how are you too?
I'm so okay. I'm hungry actually. Go ahead, so, what are we doing today?
My mother and my supporters teachers. Thank you very much for supporting me.
That will be seen here on our big screen. So are you ready? And here is your photo.
Thank you for that wonderful picture. I just want to say that there's a kid at swimming pool, and this kid is avoiding COVID-19, and I just can say that. I just can say that vaccine is important for us, for all of us. And to avoid COVID-19 this year. And I thank you.
Thank you so much. Up next, let's give it up for our how are you? Thank you very much. Are you excited to answer for this to see our picture?
Of course I am.
So what do you want to say to your supporters today?
Thank you so much, my grandparents, my parents, and my supporting teachers and classmates. Thank you so much for today.
Mayuri, here is your photo. Let's go for our next member. Number 2, how are you? So beautiful. Okay, sino yung kasama mo ngayon? Gusto mong sabihin sa iyong mga supporter?
Family, relatives, teachers, classmates, and...
So, hindi ka buong pamilya.
Opo.
Kaya ka na ba makita yung photo?
Opo.
Okay, so as far as photo analysis, and take a look with your photo.
Ito po ay tao na bumibili po ng pagkain. Kahit po may COVID, kailangan po natin magsakripisyo para sa ating mga pamilya. Pero pinapalo naman po nila ang mga protocols na kailangan ng face mask, kailangan ng face shield. At yung po kailangan natin maging safe. Dahil, thank you.
Thank you so much, Shakira. I hope you're all too. And on the top, female candidate number 6. Hello. How are you? I'm great, thank you. So what do you want to say to your supporters?
Sa mga nag-support ko sa akin ngayon at sa
Well, magandang show. So do you want to win? Or so do your very best, okay? So are you ready to see your photo? And here is your photo. So what can you say about it?
sana po ito po ay ang picture ng traffic at sana po sa mga nag-drive po huwag po masyadong magaling mag-drive para naman kayo minsan kayo at iwasan po ang mga traffic
Limas tayo sa Gracia. Maraming salamat. Female candidate number 6. And now, let's give it up for our female candidate number 12. Siyempre, I'll be giving you the microphone to give thanks to your supporters.
Thank you for the people who supported me, my family, and siguro sa Solo Academy family.
Okay, hey, number 12, are you ready to answer? To have your photo analysis? Okay, and here is your photo. Take a look.
So this is one of the main problems in the Philippines, the water supply. And this is exactly the reason why we should not waste water, because water is used for planting trees, taking a shower, and many other important things. And what's the message? We cannot waste water in unuseful things and oceans. And also we need to use water and not just waste any water, just like taking a shower, watering plants, so that we can have a better future, a better world, and save the earth. Thank you.
Female candidate number 10. Stay there. Conserve water. That's the message. Thank you so much. Now let's have our female candidate number 11. Female candidate number 11, how are you?
Good.
Okay, so what can you say to your fans and supporters right here?
I just want to thank you for my supporters and my family. And I thank you.
Oh, dapat manahan. Thank you lagi. Okay, so are you ready for your further analysis?
Yes.
Ito na, and here is your photo.
One day, graduation. Graduation is naturally and our students that graduate and have a medal. Actually, also medal is very important too because it symbolizes our successful in our life. It means that we cannot graduate, and our school. I thank you.
Graduation, as you should have your own medal. Okay? Thank you so much for that further analysis. Once again, we got applause to our top 6 finalists as they display their wits and their communication skills. Palakpakan natin sila, our top 6 finalists. Thank you so much, ladies. You can give us rest there. And this time, let's give it up for our real candidates who think we're up here. Now let's have our first finalist, headed over 11. Wala pa, wala pa. How are you, headed over 11?
I'm feeling great
Wow, of course. So, who are you with today?
with my family and teachers.
So, what do you want to say to your supporters?
Thank you for supporting me and my family and the Senior Sora Academy family. Without you guys, victory won't be attainable for us today.
Wow. Wala pa tayo sa Q&A portion. Hindi ko na lang ladies pa. Okay, okay. Are you ready to have your further analysis?
Yes.
And here we go. Here is your photo.
For me, this picture represents our nationality. Being I am proud to say that our nationality is very, very, very great. And I am proud to be a Filipino. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Real candidate number 11. Up next, let's get on for real candidate number. Is it number? Real candidate number 4. How are you? Okay, so what do you want to say to your supporters?
Thank you very much.
Are you nervous? Okay, the same deal? Yes, ma'am. Okay, are you not ready? Okay, now here is your photo. Thank you so much. I'm Dr. Louis, candidate number 4. Thank you. And now, let's go for our third finalist, candidate number 8. I'm here. How are you? Can you hear me?
I'm feeling good, bro.
Okay, bro. Okay, so what we want to say, same question to the rest of our candidates. What we want to say to your supporters right now.
Thank you for supporting me and my family and my friends. That's all.
Okay. So asa akin ang mga family and friends ni candidate number 8, kumalakpak! Ay, guys, sila sa inyo. Okay, ayan. Ready ka na? And here is your photo. Take a look.
Yan po ay isang sibuyas. Ang sibuyas ay importante sa atin. Kahit kung wala ito, kulang ang mga kulang. They are important like our families and pictures. That's all they do.
Okay, talagang importante ang mga ang sibuyas sa atin. Thank you so much, candidate number 8. Thank you. Your tulad na natin pamilya, ang sibuyas din natin mahal na mahal. Diba? Thank you so much, candidate. Now, let's have candidate number 9. Come here. Kamusta? Candidate number 9. Okay lang. So, kailangan ko ito ba? Okay lang. Exercise natin din. Please begin. Ano gusto mong sabihin sa mga supporters mo ngayon?
Thank you po sa mga support na sa akin. Ayun lang po.
Okay, so relax naman and take your time. And here is your photo.
Ang mga kulot ko ay nasusunod. Mga climate change.
Ang mga puno ay nasusunod dahil sa climate change. Maraming salamat, candidate number 9. There you go. And now, second on the spot, we have candidate number 10. That is the word is Kamusta?
Okay lang po.
Ano gusto mong sabihin mo na ang dami mong supporters ngayon?
Thank you po sa mga sumusupport sa akin.
Ready ka naman sa mga Twitter photo analysis?
Opo.
Eto na, dalihan mo, and here is your photo.
Nagmamano po ang isang bata dahil ito po ang naggalang sa mga nilita. Thank you.
Pagmamahal at dalag sa mga nakakanda. Maraming salamat, candidate number 10. And finally, let's welcome more candidate number 3. How are you, candidate number 3?
I'm okay po.
Ilang ka pang level?
Hindi po.
Okay, sige. Wala na tayo sa next game kasi wala na pa ba? No, just kidding. Ito na, ano gusto ko sabihin sa mga supporters ngayon?
Thank you for the people who supported me po.
Eh, maraming sana mga supporters si candidate number 3. Sabi ka na? Ready ka na? Ito na, and here is your photo.
We need to prevent
six male talents. Palakpakan natin sila, ladies and gents. All of them will be receiving a sash and a trophy. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Ready na ang lahat? Eto na po. We will be announcing our rankings. Eto na. Our first one, the fifth runners up. There we go, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Ito na po. So ngayon naman, mag-ready na po yung ating mga water dance contestants. Right after the warning, we will be up next. Ngayon naman, mag-ready na kayo, mag-warm up na, mag-stretch na. Because right after this, you will be performing here at this very stage. Kaya na kayo. Ito na. Let's give it up for our Mr. and Mrs. Born 2023 fifth runners up. And our fifth runners up will be presented by Mr. Bernardita Naman. Oh, Miss Bernardita Naman, Dr. Venus Ernestine, Dr. Lisa Soriano, and Dr. Rosario Wilson. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ang ating this year's fifth runners up. Anong number? Siyempre, sisigay yung number ng huli natin. Eto, ladies and gents, our fifth runners up are once again, palakpakan muna natin ang ating top six. Lovely Dawn, their job right here to give us a very good show. At hindi po biro ang tumayo dito and express your wit and talent and skills. You know, it takes a lot of courage and confidence. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, your this year's fifth runners up are female candidate number 7 and male candidate number 9. Our female candidate says no other than the new and our new candidate is Joshua Nico Estates. Congratulations to our fifth runners up. Up next, let's give up for our fourth runners up. This will be presented by Miss Flora Adams, Miss Sonia Ramos, and Miss Morgan Yama. Ladies and gentlemen, our fourth runners up are female candidate number 6, Turtle KD5, and male candidate number 8, Ibrahim David. Congratulations. Up next, let's go out for our third runners-up. This will be presented by Mr. MJ Villa, Mrs. Margarita Nava, Mr. Carlos Salinas, and Dr. Melissa Serrano. Our visitors, Mr. Benedict, Bishop 2023, third runners-up are female candidate number 2, Suzanne, and male candidate number 4, Junior. This time, let's give it up for our second runners-up. Our second runners-up will be presented by Dr. Roger Soriano and Mr. Joey Martinez. Ladies and gents, your visitors, Mr. and Miss Bishop 1, second runner-up are second runners-up, female candidate number 13, Charlie Shea. Ladies and gentlemen, your Mr. Bishop 2023 is your title holder for this year, 2023, is score, you garnered an average score of 91.2. And our winner got an average score of 93.6. That's just a small difference. Ladies and gentlemen, your next year, Miss Bishop 2023 is female candidate number 11. We'd like to congratulate all of our judges, together with all our allied officers for a photo op. Your photo packet. Congratulations to our winners! There you have it, you really done a good job. Where is our official photographer para makuha lahat? Kaya hindi ka lang sa wood backward para makuha lahat, ano? At yung backward ang mga answer, yan para makuha lahat. Ay, okay tayo, press. And take your